Humans have identified over 2 million different animal species, with some estimates putting the total at somewhere around 8.7 million. Not all of them are friendly, as you will soon find out in this video. No worries, you get to watch from the safety of your own habitat. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Come closer, yeah, man. Just a little. Yeah, you cool. Hey!
Just it! Just it! I just said, did you see the TikTok of the guy?
Check out the absolute massive size of this catfish caught in the United States. Catfish are a very diverse group of ray-finned fish with some varieties living up to 60 years. One catfish can lay up to 4,000 eggs a year per pound of body weight, and they taste great breaded and fried with butter.
Oh, he's crushing my hand. That is a huge blue catfish. The largest catfish species here in North America.
You hold tight.
I got him.
You lose that tail, you're gonna lose him. You'll lose him.
I got him. Just when you thought we were not going to catch an enormous catfish, this thing is huge. That is a 50+ pound blue catfish. This is the largest catfish species in the United States.
Oh, no, why you do that? Don't do that. Sir, don't do that. Why you do that? Oh, get him off this car. Get him off. Friend. You see your friend? Not that friend, this friend. No. It's nuts. Oh my God. Get him off this car. Get him off the car. Please go. Go. This no. No.
There's nothing about this next clip that is even remotely safe. Please don't do anything you're about to see.
Where's the head? Where's the head? No. Hey. Get them, Liam! Get them, Liam! Nah, take it in there, take it in the bush, Nah, over here in the ladder. Go in the...
Wow. That was dramatic.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Where's the lifeguard? Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's a rare experience to be able to touch a whale, much less give it some scritches. Just listen to the whale sing as this lady gets up close and personal for a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Love to do this. Watch this.
Living in Alaska, you're gonna run into a moose from time to time. An estimated 200,000 moose call Alaska home compared to 736,990 people. That's about 3.7 Alaskans per moose. That's the highest moose to person ratio in the U.S.
Come on.
I think there's a backstory between the bear and this Russian dude. This can't be the first time they've met. The guy sticks his entire hand in the bear's mouth. In any case, please do not try this at home with your own pet bear.
будешь рыбу?
Ну, прикусывает, да?
Ну, так у него молоденькие, зубки остренькие, но неприятно так. Ну, нет, он не прикусывает. Вот я ужасно. Вообще сосиску держишь прям в рот, ему даешь, он ждет, пока руку не вынешь. Что, встать тяжело, да? Слишком сильно.
If you see a buffalo enjoying a bath, do yourself and the buffalo a favor. Just let him enjoy some peace and quiet, and don't bother him like our friend here did.
Pareciera que estuviera cruda.
There is a safe distance from which to observe an alligator. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but this ain't it. This kid is lucky that there's some heavy-duty glass between him and this hippo. Hippos kill about 500 people a year in Africa, and they are the world's deadliest land mammal. Yeah, this goofy-looking thing is a stone-cold killer. I think the best time to kick your boat into high gear is after you startle a gigantic crocodile and he heads into the water in your direction. Just a thought. Oh great, now I have to worry about snakes dive bombing me from atop power lines. That's just great.